Hi guys, my name is Martin and in this tutorial I will teach you game hacking. As first thing, what we are gonna do is open cheat engine, and now we are gonna open the game what we wanna cheat in. I'm using Carlson because this game doesn't have anti-cheat. Now we are gonna find this game in this list. Here it is, Milkman Carlson. Open it. And now we are gonna make our money cheat. Change money to be exactly. Money cheat we can make in next episode. As you can see, we have got $1. That means we are gonna in our cheat engine write that we are gonna find number 1 because we have got $1. That means we need to find address that have number 1 in it. And as you can see, we have got a lot of addresses. That means we need to change it. And it's very easy. Just we need to get some money. Oh, wait. 6. That's good. Okay. I think that's enough. Now we are gonna look at our money. We have got $8. That means we will write 8. Now you can see that it found 293 addresses. That means we need to do this process again. If you are asking why I'm using the only first level, it's because it's the fastest one of the all. And we don't even need to kill everybody, we just need to collect some money. Pew 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 pew. Just for fun. Okay, let's go into menu. We have got $19. Technically we can do this. Click on increasing value and find the number that is higher than the previous one. It found 83 addresses. This technique you can use to find even half address, but we will gonna use exact value. That's 19. It will be faster when we know exact number or exact value. Okay, here it is. Now we can name it. And change it. As you can see, nothing was changed. That's because the number needs to be read from the memory. How we are gonna do it? Easily. We are just gonna close this window and open it again. Wow, we have got $9,000. It was the easiest money in my life. Okay, that was everything for this episode. If you wanna next one, click subscribe and smash that like button.